Hi guys, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys my morning routine. This is literally what I've done. I have suffered with fungal acne for, sorry, I thought I saw something. I have suffered, what is that? Okay, it's not a spider. So I've suffered with fungal acne, melasessia, I think it's folliculitis melasessia, for over a year now. And as you can see, hope you can see, I have definitely improved. Like, it has definitely improved. Don't mind this, it's just some niacinamide from last night, basically. But yeah, so, and my skin has improved dramatically. I'm gonna insert some pics so you can see what I was dealing with, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys basically my skincare routine. So yeah, so basically, depending on how my skin is reacting, I go in with Nizoral. What I'll do in the morning, I'll put it on and then I'll brush my teeth. So by the time I'm brushing my teeth and finished, then I can wash it off. I use cold water now. I know some people use lukewarm water, and they say you shouldn't use cold water and you shouldn't use very hot water. So I used to be a person where I just always had to use hot water because I bath with boiling hot water anyway. But for some reason I just switched to cold water, like icy cold water. And I just felt, for me personally, when I would, like, especially in the evenings, do my nighttime routine, I find that cold water just helped my skin. Like, I would wake up and my face would feel really fresh and it would just feel really smooth. So that's what I do. I don't use it. I used to use it every day when my fungal acne was really active, but now I don't use it as much. I use it once every other day, probably, yeah, if that. But I need to get a new one though, okay? But on most occasions I use my Bio face wash, and this one has got salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is my friend, okay? So what I do is I will use this as my face wash, and then I use this as my cleansing soap. So this is the Avene cleansing foam, and I really like this. When I was dealing with fungal acne, this was I did a lot of research to products that I could use, products that I couldn't use, what was making my fungal acne worse, why it wasn't going. And I'm using my Duval face spin, and I'm using the exfoliating brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. So I'm gonna wet this brush, okay, and then I'm gonna add some of this face wash onto the brush. This thing doesn't work, unfortunately, so yeah, I have to open it and just pour it in. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on there because I don't need a lot, okay? Your girl's skin is getting better, honey. I basically just go around. I don't dwell too much on this area because my skin is very sensitive, and I think over the course of the year I've really gotten to know my skin a lot more. So I know the areas that I can stay long on, and I know the areas that I can't stay long on, if that makes sense. So, and I like this brush. It's not like the like other ones where it just spins so quickly, and then it just I don't know, it just hurts. This was really soft, really soft. I just like the motion of this. But yeah, guys, sorry about this dangling. I've got really tiny wrists, so I actually need to break that off. I need to break the majority of it off because I actually hate it. It gets stuck on my hair and then sometimes on my clothing. I don't like it. Okay, so once I've done that, then I wash this off with cold water, and then I'll go in with my cleanser and show you guys, okay? Okay, so I've washed my face now, and now I go in with my cleanser, okay? I just use one pump, I'd wet this actually. And I just use one pump, like so. And first I like to I won't spin it yet, I just like to go with my hand first just to disperse it And then I started. I really love using this skincare system because it removes dirt and excess oils that I have on my skin. It's so much better than washcloths. I know a lot of people do use washcloths, but I prefer using this brushes because I just feel like it gets into my pores and it really cleans it out. Another great thing is if I'm in a rush, I can use it while I'm having a shower at the same time because it is waterproof and you don't have to charge it, you don't have to plug it to use it. You just need 4 AA batteries and it will go on for months. So yeah guys, don't forget to click the link down in the description box and also don't forget to use my 70% off promo code. Okay, so that's done. So then now I wash it with cold water and then I'll show you guys what I do in terms of moisturizing, serums, oils and all of that good jazz. So that's my face washed. These are the two I do use occasionally. This one, y'all know, okay, for the elbows, the knees, the feet, okay? And this one I use for my body sometimes. Last time to be doing all the African sponge and sometimes you want a spread and you want nice things. So yeah, I drop the African sponge just for the weekend, okay? And then I go in with the body exfoliating brush. So and I like it. It's soft and it just makes your body feel smooth like velvet. Honestly, but yeah. Majority of the time, I let my face air dry. If I'm like in a rush and going somewhere, then I use some cotton pads to pat down my skin. I've been looking there. Should be looking here. Sorry. Yeah. So I use my cotton pad to pat my skin dry. If I'm like in a rush and really need to be out of the house. So yeah. But other than that, I air dry. Okay, so now I tone. Okay. And I use cotton pad and I use the Pixi Glow Tonic to tone. I did used to use the ordinary, but I saw this and they were really hyping it up as well, so I was like, okay, I want to glow, so let's go. So yeah, I really like it and I love the smell as well. So anyway, I tone like so. After I've done that, then I go in with my moisturizer. I currently using Astral moisturizer, so I take a little bit, okay, like literally a little bit. I mixed it with glycerine and rose water as well. So yeah, this is how much I go in on my face. And check it out, look what I do. I skip my forehead, okay? I do not use it on my forehead. Okay? You guys that cream your face like this, I don't know about you, man, I don't know, okay? This is from The Ordinary. This is the niacinamide, 10% and zinc 1%. And I don't even do a lot, but I'll show you what I do. I literally just do plop, plop. When it was really bad, I did use a bit more of this, but it's not as bad now, so I don't have to use that much. I usually get a cotton bud, but I just use this cotton wool just to quickly show you. And then because I don't like use my fingers, and then I just literally just dab it on the problem areas. And I believe niacinamide also helps reduce dark marks as well. And then once it dries, then I go in with my oil this is from Holland & Barrett, so it's 100% natural, pure enough to swallow. So it's pure enough to swallow, so it's pure enough to put on my skin. Take like a little bit like that. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, literally. And then I've got like, like when I go like this, this side for some reason it's just dark. So what I do is I just go like that. I don't put it all over my skin. And then like I have like a spot, like a dark mark here that I've got one here. And then now that the niacinamide has dried, Then I just add a little bit more like that, and then I literally just dab. So that's basically the end of my skincare routine. Okay, I've shown you the necessities that I use to get my skin clear to this point. Okay, so if you would love to purchase a Duval spin brush, I would suggest, okay, I would highly recommend it and highly suggest you look down below in the description bar, because you get it 70% off with my code, honey. Yes. Okay, it doesn't get better than that. Live your best life. Okay, glow up, glow season, all seasons. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.